Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. I noticed that this week's tag says 11/17 instead of the normal 2 weeks. I wonder what that means. Check your app because we received a $4 instant CRT for Revlon and another $3 instant CRT for Maybelline, and those are good CRTs that will really help out in this week's haul. And also check out the description box for the Google Doc link. If you like the pink stuff, they're on sale for 2 for $10. They are not giving any extra care box back, but I just wanted to share it in case anybody needs it. The first deal I have in this video will be the spend 18 get $6 extra care box back on any Revlon cosmetics or beauty tools, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Revlon eyeliner pencils, priced at $10.49 each. Both of them are going to total $20.98. According to the ad, we're supposed to receive a $3 digital coupon, but I don't have it in my account and I hope you all have it. So I'm going to explain this deal with that $3 digital coupon. And we also received a $4 mystery offer. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $13.98. Pay that and get $6 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $4 back on each item. That will be a total of $8, making both products free and a 2-cent money maker. The next free makeup deal we have today will be on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of spend 15, get $6 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Maybelline blush, priced at $7.79. These 2 items are going to total $15.58. We received a $3 mystery CRT today, and I have a 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT. Both CRTs are going to take us $6 and drop it down to $9.58. Pay that and get $6 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $2 back on each item. That will be a total of $4, making both items free and a 42-cent money maker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back on any Covergirl cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Covergirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each, and they will both total $11.58. In 2 11 savings sets, there is a $3 Covergirl eye coupon. Use 2. And if you still have your $4 Covergirl mystery offer from last week, add it to this transaction. The 2 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $1.58. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back, making both products free and a $3.42 money maker. The next deal I have here is the spend 20 get $10 back, and the Eucerin lotion and Nivea body wash is included in this deal. But I will show you 3 ways you can do this deal depending on what you need. But this is a limit of 1, so you have to pick one, because if you pick all 3 of them, you will get your $10 extra care box back only one time. The first one I will share will be on the Eucerin lotion. Pick up 3 of the 5 ounces lotion. They are priced at $6.99 each, and 3 of them are going to total $20.97. In 128 savings set, there is a $3 Eucerin lotion you can use. I'm not showing it here because my region did not get the $3 coupon. We got the savings set, but we don't have the $3 in it. But if you do have it, use 3 of those. I also received the $2 off lotion CRT in my email. With the 3 coupons and the $2, it's going to drop it down to $9.97. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making all 3 of them free and a 3-cent money maker. The second option to do this deal is to pick up 3 of the Nivea men body wash, priced at $6.79 each, and all 3 are going to total $20.37. In 128 savings set, we have a 3 off 2 coupon, and for the third item, when I scanned this product in the store, a $2 popped up, and I know we have that coupon. It was tricky for me last week haul because I wanted to use it, and after I checked out, I noticed that it didn't come off, and I checked my app, it wasn't there. So I don't know how that came about today, but if you still have yours, add this to this deal. It will drop it down to $15.37. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making all three of them just $5.37 or $1.79 each. The third option to do this deal is to pick up two of the Nivea men body wash and one of the Eucerin 5-ounce lotion. Three of them are going to total $20.57. Use the 3 off 2 coupon I showed earlier on and also the $3 coupon for Eucerin from 128 savings cert. Add the $2 lotion CRT from the email. It will drop it down to $12.57. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making all three of them $2.57 or 86 cents each. The next deal is on soft soap or Irish Spring body wash, the 20 ounces. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Irish Spring 20 ounce body wash. They're on sale for 2 for $11. We received a 4 off 2 Irish Spring digital coupon that will drop it down to $7. Pay that and get $4 extra care box back, making these 2 items just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I found at the store is on soft soap hand soap. It's part of the buy 2 get $2 extra care box back and they are priced at $3.59 each. 2 of them are going to total $7.18. I checked their website. I couldn't find any coupon. I don't know if it changed or if I'm not doing something right. But if you don't have any coupon, you pay the $7.18 and get $2 extra care box back, making both products just $5.18 or $2.59 each. Another deal I found that will make a good filler item will be on Real Beauty facial sheet mask. They're on the deal of buy 1 get $2 back and it's a limit of 1. They are priced at $3.99. Pay the $3.99 and get $2 extra care box back, making it just $1.99. The next deal I have here is the spend 20 get $8 extra care box back, and the Venus Comfort Glide White Tea Razor is part of this deal and it's on sale for $9.99. Pick up 1. And for the second item, pick up the Gillette Fusion 5 razor on sale for $9.99. These 2 items are going to total $19.98, which is within the 98% rule. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Venus razor, and also for the Gillette, we have a $3 digital coupon. With the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $13.98. Pay that and get $8 extra care box back, making both items $5.98 or $2.99 each. These next 2 items is not giving back any extra care box, but it's going to make a great filler item in case you have a 10 off 70 or 15 off 75 next purchase CRT, and that will be on Colgate toothpaste. Pick up 2 of the 2-in-1 toothpaste on sale for $3.99. We received a 7 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to just 98 cents for both or 49 cents each. The next deal I have here is on spend 20 get $8 extra care box back, and the Crest Advanced Range 33.8 ounces is included in this deal and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 3 of the Crest Advanced Range priced at $8.29 each. 3 of them are going to total $24.87. We received a 5 off 3 Crest digital coupon, and we also have a $1 off Crest or Scope mouthwash digital coupon that will double dip with the 5 off 3. I have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $14.87. Pay that and get $8 extra care box back, making 3 of them just $6.87 or $2.29 each. The hair care deals we have this week, in my opinion, they are not the best, but if that's what you need and you have extra care box to use, why not buy them from CVS? The first one I have will be on Tresemme hair care. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the shampoo and 1 of the conditioner. They are priced at $7.29 each. Both items are going to total $14.58. We have a 5 off 3 Tresemme digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.58. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both products $7.58 or $3.79 each. The next hair care deal I have will be on Garnier Fructis. They're on the deal of buy two, you get $3 extra care box back, and they are priced at $4.69 each. Picking up two will total $9.38. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.38. Pay that and get $3 extra care box back, making these two items just $3.38 or $1.69 each. The next deal is on Whole Blend. They're on the deal of buy two, get $3 extra care box back, and it's a limit of one. Pick up two, you can mix or match anyhow you like, but they are priced at $5.59 each. Two of them are going to total $11.18. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.18. Pay that and get $3 extra care box back, making these two products just $5.18 or $2.59 each. The last hair care deal I have in this video will be on Got2b hair care. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for $6.49, and we received a $2 digital coupon that will make it just $4.69 only. The next deal I have here is on any Lysol household cleaner, disinfectant spray or air wick. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 extra care box back, and it's a limit of one. Because there are quite a few items included in this deal, I will show 3 ways to do this, but remember you have to just pick one. The first option will be to pick up 2 of the Airwick 2-count essential oil refills, priced at $9.79. The second one is going to be $4.75. These 2 items are going to total $14.54. In our app, we have a BOGO coupon that will take off $6.99 and drop it down to $7.55. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making these 2 items $5.55 or $2.78 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 of the Lysol disinfectant wipes, the 35 counts, priced at $5.99. The second one is going to be $3. Both items are going to total $8.99. We have 2 digital coupons that is attaching to this, $1 off and a 75 cents off. After the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $7.24. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both items just $5.24 or $2.62 each. The third option is to pick up 2 of the toilet bowl cleaner, priced at $4.99. The second one will be $2.50. Both are going to total $7.49. We have a 75 cents digital coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $6.74. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both products $4.74 or $2.37 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $3 extra care box back, and all free and clear detergent is part of this deal. Pick up 2 of the 36 ounces. They're on sale for $5.29 each, and both of them are going to total $10.58. In 2 11 save inserts, we have $1.50. Use 2 is going to drop it down to $7.58. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $4.58 or $2.29 each. I have 2 of the $2 Pili coupon. If you have something like this, after the coupon is going to drop it down to $6.58. Pay that and get $3 extra care box back, making both items $3.58 or $1.79 each. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 bag. Pick up the Charmin 8 mega rolls on sale for $10.99 and pick the Gain Flings on sale for $5.49. To complete this deal, pick up the Tide Pod, the 35 counts, on sale for $13.49. All 3 items are going to total $29.97, which is within the 98% rule of the spend 30. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain Flings. And for the Charmin, we have a 50 cents coupon. All these coupons are going to drop it down to $25.47. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making 3 of them just $15.47 or $5.16 each. And remember, this would be a good deal to add to a 10 of 70 next purchase CRT. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.